If you're looking for a mid-size SUV that will run for over 300,000 miles with minimal repair costs, well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll reveal the top 5 most reliable, affordable, and feature-rich 3-row mid-size SUVs that you can buy for 2025. So let's start the list with our number 5 pick, the Subaru Ascent. Subaru is known for making the most reliable and long-lasting vehicles on the market, with 96% of Subaru vehicles sold in the last 10 years still on the road, so you can count on the Ascent to keep running smoothly for years to come. And the Ascent is a well-rounded SUV with excellent build quality and a well-built interior too, while premium features like genuine merino leather upholstery are only available in the top trims. The Ascent comes with standard 8-passenger seating, with an option for 7-passenger seating and second-row captain's chairs. The first and second rows have plenty of space, though the rearmost seats are a bit tight. The cargo area is large and square, making it useful even with the third row up, and you can easily fold down the third and second rows to open up a massive storage area. And it also comes equipped with a lengthy list of standard features, including a large 11.6-inch user-friendly touchscreen and lots of advanced safety technology as part of Subaru EyeSight. Powering every Ascent is a turbocharged 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine that makes around 260 horsepower and 277 pound-feet of torque. That's enough power to easily navigate any traffic scenario, and all models come standard with Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive with CVT, so unlike other competitors, you don't need to pay extra for all-wheel drive. And you get above-average fuel economy of up to 20 mpg city and 26 mpg highway. The Ascent is also very easy to drive with excellent outward visibility, very good ride comfort, and the steering is light and quick, which means it's very easy to maneuver in small spaces. The pricing of the Ascent is very reasonable, with the base trim starting at just under $39,000 and the fully loaded top trim starting at under $50,000. So it's a good option if you're looking for a reliable, family-friendly SUV with great all-weather capability. But as good as it is, the next SUV on the list offers even better value for your money, which is the Honda Pilot. The Pilot has always been a top contender in the midsize SUV segment. It's known for its bulletproof reliability, spacious interior, and comfortable ride. Honda completely redesigned the Pilot in 2023 and introduced an updated version of their mighty 3.5-liter V6 engine. This engine is not only very powerful but also highly reliable, as Honda has been refining it for years, making it one of the most durable engines on the market. And now it's paired with a new 10-speed automatic transmission, with your choice of front-wheel or all-wheel drive. And it delivers a decent fuel economy of up to 19 mpg city and 27 mpg highway. Inside, the Pilot offers an abundance of interior space. You get roomy 3 rows of seating, tons of standard features, and a long list of active driver assistance technology. You also get a super user-friendly infotainment system with all the latest connectivity options, and the Pilot can be equipped with either standard 8-passenger seating or optional 7-passenger seating with second-row captain's chairs. And the cargo area has been expanded, giving you even more room for your bulky items. And this year, Honda discontinued the base LX trim. Now, the Sport trim is the entry-level option, which starts at just over $40,000, and the fully loaded Black Edition trim starts at over $54,500. So it's a great value, and it has an excellent reputation for strong reliability, low cost of repair and maintenance, which means it's a great SUV to hold on to for a long time. However, it's not the most fuel-efficient SUV, so if you're a frequent driver, you should take a closer look at the next SUV on the list, which is the Toyota Highlander Hybrid. The Highlander Hybrid is an excellent option for those looking to save money on gas, as it achieves an impressive 35 mpg city and 35 mpg highway. That's almost twice as good as the other SUVs on this list. And on top of that, Toyota is known for making the most reliable hybrids on the market. They've been doing it for over 2 decades and have a very well-proven track record. The hybrid system uses a naturally aspirated 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine combined with 3 electric motors, producing a combined output of 243 horsepower. And it's matched to a CVT with standard all-wheel drive. Not only does the Highlander Hybrid have amazing fuel economy, but it's also a very well-designed SUV with excellent build quality, lots of standard features, a very well-designed user-friendly infotainment system, and a lengthy list of active safety technology. And you can opt for either a 7- or 8-seat configuration. The front and rear seats offer plenty of space and cushioning, though the third row is a bit cramped and the cargo area is decent. The pricing of the Highlander Hybrid starts at $46,000 and goes up to $53,500. So if you're okay with the third row and don't frequently need it, then the Highlander is one of the best and safest choices you can make. However, if you want an SUV where adults can comfortably sit in all three rows, even on long road trips, with the same amazing fuel economy, then you should go with the next SUV on the list, which is of course a Toyota product, the Grand Highlander Hybrid. The Grand Highlander is a brand new model introduced by Toyota for the 2024 lineup, and it not only follows the brand's new muscular design philosophy, it is also longer, taller, and wider than the regular Highlander. This means you get plenty of space across all three rows and a really good-sized cargo area too. It also comes standard with second-row captain's chairs, and you can opt for 8-passenger seating with a second-row bench seat. The interior styling is distinct, featuring a more symmetrical dashboard design, excellent fit and finish, and a large, straightforward infotainment system. It also comes with a lengthy list of convenience features that family buyers will appreciate, including heated front seats, hands-free power liftgate, wireless phone charging, sunshade, and more. Additionally, you can get the new Grand Highlander with 3 different powertrain options, including 2 shared with the regular Highlander and a brand new Hybrid Max powertrain. We recommend the standard hybrid powertrain, the same as the regular Highlander, because it has a very solid track record when it comes to reliability. That said, even though the Grand Highlander comes with a higher price tag, this family-friendly SUV is well worth the investment, perfect for long-term ownership with minimal repair costs. However, the next SUV on the list, ranked at number 1, is the king of reliability. No other SUV can match its bulletproof dependability, which is none other than the legendary Toyota 4Runner. If you're looking for a midsize SUV that will run for over 300,000, even 400,000 miles with minimal repair costs, then the Toyota 4Runner is the answer. While Toyota has introduced an all-new 2025 4Runner, featuring a completely redesigned both inside and out with the latest technology and features, the new 4Runner also comes with a new 4-cylinder turbocharged engine and a new Hybrid Max powertrain. Sounds good, right? But it's new. We don't have decades of proof that it's as reliable as the old engine. So for rock-solid proven reliability, stick with the 2024 Toyota 4Runner. It uses the super dependable 4.0-liter V6 engine that produces 270 horsepower and 278 pound-feet of torque with standard rear-wheel drive or optional four-wheel drive. And it's paired with a 5-speed automatic transmission, yes, only 5 gears, which might seem outdated, and it's not the most fuel efficient, achieving up to 16 miles per gallon city and 19 miles per gallon highway. But it's incredibly durable and requires minimal upkeep. This powertrain combination is the reason why the 4Runner is trusted by off-roaders, adventurers, and families who want a long-lasting SUV. The 4Runner also comes with rugged body-on-frame construction, making it one of the toughest SUVs on the market. Inside, the 4Runner has a spacious and practical cabin with room for up to 7 passengers. The interior is old school, but that's a good thing. It's built to last with high-quality materials and physical buttons that are easy to use. You also get a massive cargo area too. So if you're looking for an SUV that you can drive for decades with minimal repair costs, the 2024 Toyota 4Runner remains the most reliable choice on the market. Now let us know in the comment section which SUV would you prefer, or would you buy something else instead. Thanks for watching.